Hi, I'm Dr. Roberta Morowitz, a Florida licensed marriage and family therapist. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make your man feel adored. And so, this is an interesting thing. It's true. Men and women are different in a lot of different ways, but we are human in some other ways. And ways that we want to be adored is pretty much the same way that you would like to be adored as the way that your man would like to be adored. There might be some differences just because we are men and women. But ultimately, what you want to do is you want to make that person feel as important as they can to you. There are some people who would say that you should be doing everything for them. But we're in the 21st century, and in the 21st century, what we do know is that men and women do have their own lives as well as lives together. So you are making time for each other, and for your man to feel adored, he's going to have to feel like he's special to you in more than just a glancing way. So some of the ways that you can do that is to make sure that you are paying attention to him, that you are spending time around him, that you are sharing things together, that you are helping out in ways that you can with him. Of course, I'm not saying that you're going to be doing things for him and he's not going to be doing things for you as well. So I don't want you to think that this is a one-sided event. But for this particular question, in terms of how men feel adored, they want to feel like they've got a partner. And the more special they feel to you is going to be the more adored they're going to feel by you. So paying attention to what his needs are, either stated or questioned for him, will serve you best. It will serve him best as well. You want to make sure that this is something that is going to be lasting. So the more effort you put into another person, you hope the more you get out of it as well. Good luck.